If you think soil is boring, you haven't met Professor Budiman Minasny.
I find soil amazing. It's an amazing topic to study.
Hello.
This one is from Canberra, so this is from our university farm.
Soil plays a vital role in sustaining agriculture and ecosystems. Around 97% of our food comes from soil. It also purifies our water, helps prevent flooding, stores nutrients, and contains extraordinary levels of biodiversity.
So that's why I think that we should take care of our soil to ensure that we have a sustainable future.
Professor Minasny is recognised as a global leader in digital soil mapping. He's developed detailed maps of soil properties using underlying soil processes and machine learning supported by satellite and field data.
So all of these sensors are just like taking a fingerprint of the soil. From the fingerprint, then we can try to identify what are the constituents of the soil.
His methods are used by soil scientists around the world, from the paddock level to the global scale. The ability to rapidly and precisely predict and map soil carbon levels is shaping up to be a vital tool in the fight against climate change.
Soil is a carbon sink. Soil is the largest carbon storage on the land.
He wants to safeguard and enhance this carbon storage potential by improving soil quality. Here in Australia, his maps are helping to assess and improve land management practices.
With the help of remote sensing images and statistical tools, we are able to extrapolate this data, letting us know how much, for example, carbon is stored in every 30 meter in Australia.
Most Australian farmers now practice a technique called minimum tillage, where they don't remove the residues of previous harvests, such as stubble and roots, before planting new crops. That prevents a substantial amount of carbon from being released into the atmosphere, while also making the soil itself more robust.
So now we need the next step to increase further carbon in the soil. So there are trials now being conducted by our researchers trying to put cover crops in between the season and different types of varieties of cover crops to increase carbon back in the soil.
Professor Minasny grew up in Indonesia before moving to Australia to undertake his Master of Agriculture at the University of Sydney. 30 years later, he's still at the university and can now also proudly call himself a Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science.
It is an honor, and also it is a recognition towards the discipline that we know Soil Sciences Australia is changing the world.